To purchase Bitcoin on Crypto.com, start by opening the app and clicking on the Buy option. From there, select Bitcoin as the desired cryptocurrency. If it's not immediately visible, use the search bar to find it by typing in BTC. Once Bitcoin is selected, choose the amount to buy, such as €25 worth, either by selecting a predefined amount or manually entering the desired value. Next, choose a payment method, including options to buy with cash or swap for a different cryptocurrency. Payment methods include using a previously deposited balance, Apple Pay, or adding a new payment method like a credit or debit card. After selecting a payment method, confirm the purchase and the Bitcoin will be added to the account. To verify the purchase, navigate to the profile and click on Accounts to view the updated crypto wallet balance, which will now include the newly purchased Bitcoin.